on to the research. When you are researching, there are a couple of things that you're going to do. You are going to identify the career cluster, obviously through that survey. Now, to get to additional information, when you go to the career survey link, you will actually see a tab that's a drop-down menu that says Career Clusters and Pathways. You're going to click on that. It will then bring you into another page where you can, again, make it bigger if you click up here, okay? But what you're going to do is go into the career clusters, and you can start looking at what those specific careers are that are included in there. Otherwise, if you already know what your career cluster is, the career pathways is going to be a way for you to also identify those careers and then make sure that you know what the expectations are of that job and what are the steps you can take to continue to grow in whatever that career is. On the information on your blue sheet of paper, there are a couple of prompts or questions that are already available that you are expected to answer and take those notes on. Remember, you are showing all 5 phases with this activity and assignment, okay? So when you look at the careers within the cluster, career in the cluster you are interested in, and then the educational requirements, there are bullet points there. Those are places to start your research. Then, if you'd like to include additional information, you're more than welcome to do that as well. You are going to have 3 days in class to complete this research and designing of the one-pager. That means you are going to have to do some of this at home as homework as well. If you have questions, email me, Schoology message me, ask Miss Marvin, ask an 8th grade AVID student, talk to your advisory teacher. There are plenty of resources for you. The main part of research will happen Wednesday, Friday, and then the following Tuesday. Enjoy!